I like about this class is role playing really helps me confident because you can learn about new words and new vocabularies.
In this class, you can learn some vocabularies by role playing, and if you do role playing, maybe first time you can feel some nervous, but when you do more practice and more activities, now you can speak English very well with vocabularies and getting confidence.
Why I like this class is we learn a lot of vocabulary which is very common in our daily life and very useful. Some activities help me my confidence. Example, I have a confidence in class, but out in class I very shy in make a conversation with adults, some teachers, and that activities helps me improve my confidence.
This class is very near to human daily life, like for example movie nights, music, role, adventure. So every classes we act like we're at grocery store, at shopping, like doing activities, and we act so many times. It helps my confidence to be more extrovert and acting. It's very helpful for English.